Hello everyone, challenge accepted. Thank you so much, Bishop and Pastors, for nominating us to do the Job Challenge. In the passage that I choose from the book of Job is written in chapter 42, verse 13. He also had 7 sons and 3 daughters. We know that in the very beginning, Job has also 7 sons and 3 daughters. And I choose this passage because it really caught my attention. Alam natin that in the end, God restored everything in the life of Job. His health, yung kayamanan niya, and God even gave him double. But except for one thing, and this is about his children. Kasi mababasa natin dito na yung the same number ng children ni Job in the very beginning is yun din yung binalik sa kanya in the end. So what can we learn from this passage? Well, for me, natutunan ko dito is it's really yung nagpapatunay na we had only one life. And talagang binigyan lang tayo ng Diyos ng isang buhay. Yung kayamanan pwedeng maging doble. Pero yung buhay na binigay sa atin is iisa lang talaga. And madalas nating marinig sa mundo na sinasabi nila, dahil isa lang yung buhay, magpapakasaya tayo, gawin natin lahat ng gusto nating gawin kasi nga iisa lang yung buhay. But if we have this spiritual understanding about eternal life, gagawin natin ang lahat para gamitin ang isang buhay na ito to glorify God's name, to sanctify the name of God, and to prepare for eternity. Kasi para sa atin na naiintindihan yung halaga ng eternity, is hindi natin sasayangin yung segundo ng isang buhay na binigay ng Diyos sa atin. We have to do our best para mapakinabangan ng maayos this one life that God given to us. And one thing na pumasok sa isip ko is this following na question. What if we had only 1 week to live in this world? Ano yung gagawin mo kung meron ka na lang 1 week dito sa mundo? Magkikip ka pa rin ba ng grudges? Sasama pa rin ba yung loob mo kapag may ginawang masama yung family mo? Or mag-aalala ka pa rin ba sa katawan mo? I believe kung alam natin na meron tayong 1 week na lang in this world, we have to give our best na makapag-iwan ng magandang alaala dito sa mundo. And gagawin natin yung lahat para masiguro na we spend eternity in heaven with God. Kaso, ang problema is we don't know. Hindi natin alam kung hanggang kailan tayo dito sa mundo. That's why we have to live every day like ito na yung last natin dito sa mundo. So that in the end, we can say na yung isang buhay na binigay ng Diyos sa atin is worth living. Because one life is enough to prepare for eternity. And thank you so much. Ito yung natutunan ko in the life of Job. And let us watch together for the life of Job in the Universe video.